Mogi? Puka, you're just looking for somebody to bug, aren't you? You were just bugging Mogi a second ago. Mogi, come here. Mogi? What's the matter? Oh, Mr. Mog? Is it time for you to go out? Okay, Mogi. What does Mogi want? Hey, Pokey. I hear Mogi. He can talk for himself, you know. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Mr. Mog? There you go, honey. Don't stay out late. It's okay, Magerta. He's just going to go out for a few minutes. He'll be back. Goody my goody. What's that Pook doing? Pook is going after your ankles as well? Unbelievable, Pook. You're such a little Pook. Yeah. Such a little Pook. What are you going to do with that Pook, Gerta McGirt? It's chilly. Oh, it's chilly. I took my geraniums inside it, so it's chilly. Yeah. Gertie, you brought both of them here? Oh, what a bird. Hoppa, hoppa. Oh, is that what you... Were you bugging my geraniums over there, Pook? What? Hoppa, hoppa. Why do you say the hoppa, hoppa? I just gave you guys some stuff. Yeah. What? There isn't any more. No. Honestly, there isn't. I have to defrost something for you tomorrow. Yeah. There isn't any. Oh, you know what there is? I have some raw beef outside. Do you want me to cut it up for you? Yeah?